today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I get ready in like 5 minutes for a video Zoom call, or you can say a video conference or anything like that. And I'm so excited to be showing you guys how I will get ready in just 5 minutes. And I am going to be narrating going forward, because I need to actually show you guys how I get ready in just 5 minutes. So I don't want to waste time talking on camera right now, but I will be narrating you guys what I'm actually doing, like what are my steps and everything. So just make sure that you guys stick around till the end, because this will be like a very short video. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this video as well, and if you do, then please do subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram for my day-to-day updates. I'm always active over there. And you know, I recently broke my fingernail, and it was all like very awful, but then now it's fine. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. And I think without further ado, let's begin. I start off using Nivea soft creme moisturizer to prepare my skin. Then I use Pond's BB cream in the shade Original. I take very little at the back of my hand, and I basically dot it across and tap it to blend in with my fingers itself. This gives me such a good application, gets even tone and smooth finish and all, and I just love the way it looks when it's blended with fingers. I use Maybelline Fitme concealer in the shade 20 Sand, and I'm going to blend this with my fingers too. And look at that finish that you get. Oh my god, amazing, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm basically patting it in my skin. I so love this. For setting everything in place, I'm using Maybelline Fitme in 120 Classic Ivory, and I concentrate that on my concealer first, and then I go all over my face. For eyes, I am using this retractable pencil in black. It's an eyeliner pencil in black, and I draw this line on the outer part of my lid and I make it messy, and I take my bronzer and smudge the line that I drew. So now I take the same brush in my crease, concentrating on the outer part only, and I repeat the same on my other lid as well. Line my upper lash line with the same retractable pencil. Now I take that shade in the Maybelline Nudes palette, and I basically put it across my lids with my ring finger, just like that. It gives me sort of a smoky eye look, you know. I'm using this Lash Sensational as usual. I love this mascara, but I think I need some change in my life with Lash Sensational. Now I take that sugar bronzer and I bronze up my face, my cheeks, my temples. For blush, I'm using, as usual, my Faces Canada blush in the shade Blossom,
and I basically soak my skin in that blush. Now I basically brush through my brows to get that bushy brow effect. For lips, I'm using 19M Bare Oil from Color Bar. I feel Color Bar is such a underrated brand. It has some great products and it is very hardly spoken about, that I would go to every time I am confused. So yeah, and I just leave my curly hair open and I love the way they frame my face. So,
and this is the final result. I really hope you guys like this video, and if you do, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting every Monday, Wednesday and Friday from this week itself, and I will link in the iCards above my video for that I posted on Monday. And also you might want to stick around because I am a curly haired girl and I'm going to do like curly hair routines and everything for you guys, and I really hope I was of a help for you guys. So yeah, leave in the comment section below if you have already created this look, and if you do, and if you happen to click pictures on Instagram, do tag me on Instagram. My ID is Pranali Nakti official. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next. Bye.